Welcome to SOS Electronic. Today we will talk about VarioLAB Plus, when a workbench becomes a catalyst for innovation, precision, modularity and a track record backed by industry leaders. VarioLAB Plus isn't just a workbench, it's a smart system designed to meet the needs of technical specialists across industries. It's a modular platform trusted by companies like Bosch, Siemens and Škoda Auto to support development, manufacturing and education. Their choice speaks for itself, and it might be the right solution for your workplace as well. In environments where every detail matters and quality drives results, a workbench has to do more than just hold tools. VarioLAB Plus is a modular workbench system built to meet the toughest demands of development, production, and technical education. It's robust, adaptable, and designed to deliver long-term reliability right down to the last detail. It offers smart integration of instrument modules, ergonomic design, and a timeless look that evolves with your needs over the years. At its core is a high-load steel frame with optional anti-static treatment, a stable, long-life foundation for any professional workspace. Dozens of functional modules can be added to tailor the setup to your specific purpose. Modules span the full range of requirements for electrical and mechatronic environments. Single and three-phase power modules with built-in protection, AC/DC lab power supplies and adjustable auto transformers, multimeters, oscilloscopes, RLC decades and soldering stations, terminal and supply modules, data interfaces, and perforated panels with VarioFix system. Each part is designed for maximum compatibility, safety, and easy interchange. Therefore, your workspace can grow and adapt over time. The result is a dynamic, efficient, and durable environment that evolves with your team, technology, and projects. Across research and development centers, testing labs, production floors, and classrooms, VarioLAB Plus has earned its place as a trusted daily companion. Various companies, from car makers and energy giants to medical and electronic manufacturers, are putting it to good use. The real-world references listed on our website show that it exceeded expectations and has earned its place in demanding industries and forward-thinking educational centers alike. Beyond its technical strengths, one of its biggest advantages is how well it holds up over time, both in durability and serviceability. Thanks to its modular design, you can upgrade or swap out parts without overhauling the entire setup. That means lower maintenance costs, less downtime, and easier planning for future updates. If you are interested in learning more about VarioLAB Plus workbench solutions, get in touch at soselectronic.com and we'll be happy to help you.